Welcome to Crypto Corner News Edition. These are today's hot topics in the cryptoverse. Michael Saylor confirms his conviction that Bitcoin is going to $1 million as he considers it to be worth more than gold. Decentralized exchange Osmosis gets hacked. $5 million worth of crypto assets are stolen. Finboat news outlet claims that Cardano is the most held asset during this bear cycle. Can this be true? I'll give you my view. Binance is accused of facilitating money laundering on a large scale, they're disputing. PayPal opens external crypto transfers. Users can finally withdraw their crypto to another wallet of their choice. I'll get into more details now. Let's get started. This is Crypto Corner, episode 496, your favorite video podcast where we talk everything crypto related to help you navigate easily in the cryptoverse. Now let's dive into the hot topics of the day, starting with Bitcoin, of course. The king of crypto is still consolidating around 30,000. Yesterday we saw another drop to the lower 29,000 and today another attempt to reclaim the 30k as a support, but the market is being very choppy. I avoid trading until a clear direction is displayed. As of right now, it is not yet clear if the recent move upwards is an attempt at a trend reversal or was it just a corrective bounce, a relief rally, which I think it most likely is. An Elliott wave count from April is hitting towards one more drop to complete this impulse wave 5 before we make a rally on the upside. And other indicators are also pointing towards such a scenario. So for the time being, I'm staying put and I'm not yet rushing into buying because cheaper prices might be just around the corner. Meanwhile, Michael Saylor, prominent Bitcoin evangelist and chief executive of MicroStrategy, spoke to CNBC about new crypto bill proposed in the US Senate, and he reiterated his conviction of Bitcoin reaching $1 million price tag eventually. The MicroStrategy chief also said that Bitcoin is obviously better than gold and everything that gold wants to be. And if it was worth at least what gold is worth, Bitcoin would be $500,000 per coin already. He added that governments haven't been able to effectively ban it and instead are looking into more adoption, regulations and utility for blockchain in general, but Bitcoin specifically. And this is why he believes that eventually it will reach the target price of $1 million per coin. Well, I can see this. However, my view is that this will not happen in this decade. If anything, we would probably go to 400,000 or $500,000 until 2030. Let's see. This is my personal prediction. What is yours? Let me know in the comments below. Leave a comment, guys, because soon I will announce my next giveaway and winners will be selected from the comments. So make sure that you leave as many comments as you can. Alright, in other news, Osmosis, a decentralized exchange built using the Cosmos platform, has been exploited, draining its liquidity pools for approximately $5 million worth of crypto assets. Developers have halted the Osmosis blockchain to prevent further damage, but this is yet another DEX attack. We've seen a lot of this recently. In the last year especially, the DeFi sector is in fact the most impacted by scams, rug pulls and hacks. I just saw this is the latest crypto crime report from Chainalysis for 2021. It is evident here from this chart that the DeFi sector was the biggest victim of crypto theft, unfortunately. And this latest hack of Osmosis was added to my list of hacked exchanges, which now includes 74 entries in total. You can find it on my blog site, crypto-corner.com. All crypto exchange hacks. This is the title if you want to search for it, or I will also drop the link in the description for you. Alright, moving on. Cardano's ADA token appears as the most held crypto asset during this bear market in this headline here by Finboat. Typically they give good news, and I like this outlet, but this article here is based on this poll here conducted by London Real, the conspiracy heavy podcast channel. So this is not really a metric that I would take seriously. There are too many variables, and they're all depending on the type of audience, the followers of this channel. So I don't know why is this a headline worthy news, or if it's news at all. I like Cardano, but to me this is a false story, fake news. I know quite a lot of crypto investors, and not one of them, including myself, are holding ADA any more than Ether or BTC, so my experience shows a very different result. Therefore, I discredit this headline. In other news, Binance is in hot waters again. They are disputing claims that the platform has acted as a vehicle for the laundering of at least $2.35 billion in illicit funds. A Reuters report claimed that Binance has become a hub for hackers, fraudsters, and drug traffickers, with strong links to Russia-based dark web market Hydra. In a statement, Binance said, Binance has a stringent process in place that handles exposure to fraud, darknet markets, and scams using blockchain analytics software provided by Chainalysis and Elliptic. And they also published 50 pages of email exchanges between its intelligence team and Reuters, including discussions on recovering $5.8 million from the Ronin hack, which I reported about, as well as its assistance in multiple fraud cases. They're trying to clear their name. Alright, let's end on a positive note. PayPal users can now transfer cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ether, to third-party wallets and exchanges, cold storage. Finally, this is more than a year after they first added crypto to their platform, and at first they didn't allow these kind of transfers. This feature, as always, will first become available to US customers, and later on it will roll out abroad. And this was actually one of the most requested updates by users of PayPal, and now they are given full control over withdrawing their cryptocurrencies from PayPal to external wallets, whatever they are, whichever you want, which is great. And on top of that, sending crypto to family and friends in PayPal within the app is going to be for free. I don't intend on using PayPal for my crypto personally, but surely this is a great first-time buyers platform, so I'm happy to see this development. It's been a very long wait. I first talked about PayPal and crypto back in 2016 or 17, something like that. So it took them many years to actually get here, but here we are. Finally, they have arrived. One of our sponsors is PrimeXBT, an award-winning multi-currency trading platform which offers access to various markets, including cryptocurrencies, loads of forex pairs, also commodities and indices, which means you can diversify your risks by having exposure to non-correlated assets. They offer different leverage percentages on the different assets, and in order to provide the highest level of liquidity and instant order execution, PrimeXBT aggregates feed from 12 industry-leading exchanges and feed providers. More importantly, PrimeXBT is the exclusive home to co-vesting, a peer-to-peer copy trading module that features a 5-star rating system and global leaderboard that provides various metrics to take into account when choosing whom to follow. This is an automated trading feature that allows novice traders to leverage the skills of more experienced traders and collect profits in a hands-free, done-for-you type of a system. I have been using this throughout the year already. I like to be able to tap into markets that I personally don't know very well and I don't trade myself, like oil or gold, for instance. Another thing I really like about this exchange is the freedom to use it without having to share your ID or other sensitive data. KYC is not obligatory, and they have some of the lowest fees on the market as well. You can also use their co-vesting yield farming service and earn annual yield on your crypto assets, including stable coins. Percentages vary according to the amounts locked, so check them out. I also have a welcome bonus code that is in the description below, so give it a try by using the links in the description below. And right now you can take part in their money winning contests. They just launched a whole contest marathon with weekly and monthly rewards. You can take part in this even if you've never used the exchange. All entrants work with dummy accounts, which means that there is no risk for you. You are allocated funds to use for these contests, and if you rank high and win one of these prizes, you actually win real money. So there's nothing to lose but a lot to win if you do. Give it a try. The link to find out more is in the description below. Alright, well, this wraps up today's episode of Crypto Corner, everyone. Thanks for staying until the end. I hope this brings you value, and if it did, please share it with someone else who will also benefit from watching this. Do me a favor, show your support by leaving a like and a comment below. This will help the algorithms pick up this video so that it can reach more people. And if you have a question, drop it in there. I might feature it in another episode so that we can help other viewers too. Also, make sure that you check out the links in the description where I list all of my top crypto services, exchanges, top hardware wallets, my tools for charting analysis, and services that I use to earn interest on my long-term crypto holdings, and also my ebook guides to investing in cryptocurrencies, where I share with you everything that I've learned in my 6 years in this industry, including the many mistakes that I've made. So hopefully you can avoid repeating those. If you want to be on my mailing list and to receive my bi-weekly crypto newsletter, where I share with you even more market insights, I send out my newsletters at the start and at the middle of each month to keep you up to date. The link is also in the description below, or just scan this QR code, which will send you to my invite page. Well, trade carefully and stay profitable.